Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 5 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5 and then click on all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter fractions and mixed numbers. And the lessons we're going to cover today are convert between improper fraction and mixed numbers, fraction reviews, reciprocals, graph and compare fractions on number line. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions. And five. Chapter we are on now is fractions. Let's just start with the lesson that is convert between improper fractions and mixed numbers. Okay, write 1 whole 7 over 9 as an improper fraction. So you need to write down 1 whole 7 over 9 as an improper fraction, right? So how do we write? You have 1 is the whole. So you have the whole number here. First, you need to convert that whole number into fraction. How to convert the whole into fraction? Whole number is 1. Multiply it by the denominator. The denominator is 9. Multiply and divide it by the. So that is 9 over 9. And then the fractional part is 7 over 9. So you can do 9 plus 7 is 16 over 9, right? The one other way we already did is, if you remember, you need to multiply the denominator time the whole number. You have 9 times 1, then you need to add 7. So that is 9 times 1. You can find easy for you, right? The correct option is 16 over 9. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, write 1 whole 1 over 4 as an improper fraction. So how do you convert 1 whole 1 over 4? You have to whole number times denominator. 1 times 4. 1 is 4 is the denominator. You need to add the numerator, right? So that is the denominator name. That is 4 times 1 is 4 and 1. 5 over 4. The correct option is 5 by 4. Okay, the next one is that is 5 over 4. Let's just move on to next one. That is right, 45 over 6 as mixed number in simplest form. So whenever you are given a fraction, you have to convert it into mixed number, mixed form. You have to divide by 6 because 5. So simply divide 45 by 6. You have to count the table of 6 until 45, so you can go 6 times 7 is 42, right? So you need have 45 take away 42 is 3. So that is 7 whole over 6. So you can divide 3 by 6 by the common factor 3. Divide them by the common factor, so that is 7. Numerator is greater than denominator, you always divide. So 45 is greater than 6. So that's why I divided 45 by 6. You need to count a table of 6 until 45. So 6 times 7 is 42. You are left with 3. That is 7 whole 3 over 6, right? This would be the whole number, this would be the numerator, and this would be the denominator. Now you have to divide by the fractional part by the greatest common factor, that is 3. So that is 7 whole 1 over 2. Any question you can please ask. Okay, let's just move on to next lesson. The next one is write 3 whole 3 over 10 as an improper. So you have to, 3 is the whole number, right? So you need to multiply the whole number times 10, and the denominator is 1, so you need to multiply 10, right? That is 30 over 10 number, right? The fractional part, right? So that is 30 plus 3 is 33 over 10. When you have, the you need to understand here is the whole number, right? The denominator of the whole number is 1. So because you need to make the denominator same, so you need to multiply it by the 10. That is then 30 over 10. So 30 over 10 plus 3 over 1 is 33 over 10 over 1 is the correct option. Very good. The correct option is option number 1. Okay, right. Add this number in simplest form. So how do we write? You have to divide 30 by 9, right? So when you divide 30 by 9 times 3 is 27. We can go for 9 times 3 is 27. 30 take away 27 is 3. That is 3 whole 1 over 3. The correct answer is 3 whole 1 over 3. The correct option is 3 whole 1 over 3, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next one is fractions review. Let's just start with the lesson. What fraction of the flowers are not purple? So the first you count the total flowers. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? and not purple. 1, 2, 3, this 4. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. What fraction of the parallelograms are yellow or purple? So, which is the correct option? The total parallels are 9, right? 3, 4, yes, 9 it is. The ones that are yellow or purple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 5 over 9. The correct option is very good. That is 5 by correct option. Got it? What fraction of the squares are not green? So which is the correct option? Not green is 3 over 4, right? Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. What fraction of the tubs are green? Which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 1. It is 1 over 11. It is option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. What fraction of the shape is red? Which is the correct option? That is 1 over 2. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? What fraction of the shape is pink? Which is the correct option? That is option number 2, 3 by 6. What fraction of the suitcases are orange or green, which is the correct option? That is 4 over 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. 4 over 10 or 2 over 5, right? What fraction of the circles are not yellow? Not yellow is 5 over 6. The correct option is 5 over 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. Fraction of the fish. That is 3 over 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is what fraction of the shape is green? Then select a just okay, you complete. You can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is reciprocals. So what is the reciprocal of 3 over 4? So reciprocal means you need to switch the numerator and denominator, right? Simply switch the numerator and denominator. So 3 by 4. The okay, let's just start with the test questions. What is the reciprocal of 2 over 3, which is the correct option? The correct option is 3 over 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. You simply need to switch the numerator and denominator. So option number 1 is the correct option. What is the reciprocal of 2 over 5? So which is the correct option? That is 5 by 2. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? What is the reciprocal of 4 over 5? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 5 by 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? What is the reciprocal of 5 over 9? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 5 over 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. 9 over 5, sorry. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the reciprocal of 3 over 5? Which is the correct option? That is 5 over 3. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? What is the reciprocal of 3 over 8? That is 8 over 3. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? What is the reciprocal of 4 over? That is 9 over 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is graph and compare fractions on number lines. Okay, graph 3 over 4 and 3 over 8 on the number line. So 3 over 4 means the denominator is 4, right? So that means the number line is divided into 4 parts. 3 by 4 has denominator 4. So to graph 3 by 4, compare the given number line to 1 divided into 4. You have 0, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, right? Then you have 3 over 8. 3 over 8 means you need to divide the number line to 8 portions, right? That would be 0, 1 over 8, 2 over 8, and so on to 1, right? Now you have to compare 3 over 4 to 3 over 8, right? So 3 over 8 is smaller than 3 over 4. If you do not make the number line and just think 8, you have total 8 portions, right? And then 3 out of 8. And you have 4 portions, you have 3 out of 4. So obviously 3 out of 4 is greater than 3 out of 8 because 3 out of 4 means the less part and 3 of them are colored. Simple example, right? They are same like the fractions, just the okay. That is right. Now look at the 3 over 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that is. Now look at the 3 over 8. That is 3. to the number line. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the for the next example, we'll make the number line with the test questions. Graph 3 by 5 and 3 by 10 on the number line. Let's just graph them, right? 3 by 5 and 3 by 10. Okay, here is the number line. 0, 1 over 5, 2 over 5, 1 over 5, 2 over 5, 3 over 5, 4 over 5, and 1. That is 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, and 1. So here is 3 over 5, right? The next one is 3 by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 1 over 10, and that is 1. So you have 3 over 10, that is 3 over 10, right? The both are the exactly same things, right? And I made a the graph. So you can see 3 by 5 is greater than 3 over 10, right? Which is greater? 3 over 5 is greater. Correct option. Okay, graph 5 by 3 and 5 by 6 on the number line. Which number is greater? So you can see here 5 over 3, right? In the case of 5 over 3, numerator is greater, so that is greater than the other one. When numerator is greater than denominator, the fraction is greater than the other one. So 5 by 3 is greater than 5 over 6. Any question you can please ask. Okay, the next one is the correct option is 5 by 3, right? The next one is graph 3 by 2 and 3 by 4. So which is greater? Which one is 3 by 2 and 3 by 4? The correct option is 3 over 2, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. 3 by 2 is greater than 3 over 4. 2 by 5 and 2 by 10, which number is smaller? The correct option is 2 over 5, right? 2 over 5 is greater than 2 over 10. Sorry, you have to see the smaller, right? So 2 by 10 is smaller, not the greater one. Graph 4 by 3 and 4 by 6 on the number line. Which number is greater? The correct option is very good. 4 over 3 is greater, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 5. The chapter we were working on is fractions and mixed numbers, the lessons and reciprocals and graph and compare fractions on number lines. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the form 4 to 5. Right? So if you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, please ask question. I'm here to answer. No questions.